Cucumbers, the hydrating and nourishing element. Cucumbers, often known for their high water content and refreshing taste, offer more than just a cooling crunch in your salads. They're a fantastic addition to your vegetable juice blend, providing numerous health benefits and a distinctive flavor profile. 1. Hydration hero. With a water content of around 95%, cucumbers are an exceptional hydrating agent, aiding in keeping the body well hydrated. Incorporating cucumber into your juice mix not only contributes to the overall fluid intake but also assists in maintaining proper bodily functions. 2. Nutrient-rich elixir. Despite their high water content, cucumbers are packed with essential nutrients. They contain vitamins K and C and minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining bone health, promoting a healthy immune system, and supporting muscle function. 3. Digestive Aid. The soluble fiber in cucumbers aids in digestion, promoting a healthy gut and regular bowel movements. This can help alleviate constipation and support the overall health of the digestive system. 4. Refreshing skin benefits. Cucumbers aren't just beneficial internally, they offer external benefits too. Their natural cooling and hydrating properties make them a popular choice in skincare. The silica and antioxidants in cucumbers contribute to healthy and glowing skin. 5. Weight management support. Due to their low-calorie nature and high water content, cucumbers can be a valuable addition to a weight loss or weight management plan. They provide a feeling of fullness without a high caloric intake. When combined with other vegetables in your juice blend, cucumbers contribute a mild, refreshing taste and offer a wealth of health benefits. Whether blended with leafy greens, carrots, or tomatoes, cucumbers bring a hydrating, nutrient-rich element to your juice, ensuring a delicious and health-boosting concoction. Experiment with varying quantities and combinations to find the perfect mix that caters to your taste and health preferences, and let the humble cucumber elevate both the taste and nutritional value of your healthy vegetable juice. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Thank you for taking the time to watch.